Well, if you haven't checked your carbon monoxide detectors in a while, now is a pretty good time to do so, especially as we crank those heaters on to stay warm this weekend. Doctor in emergency medicine at Cleveland Clinic says carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that develops when fuel isn't burned completely. Now, you can prevent it by using carbon monoxide detectors, making sure all fuel burning appliances are well maintained.
If you do develop symptoms, getting to the emergency department as soon as possible. And the first step in treatment is oxygen. And we put patients on 100% oxygen to help, because carbon monoxide actually impairs your body's ability to transport oxygen. So the more oxygen we can give you, the better you're going to be, and will help wash out that carbon monoxide.
Well, symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning vary in the early stages. It can cause headaches, nausea, and shortness of breath. Longer exposure can lead to mental confusion, chest pain, a loss of consciousness, even death. Dr. Waters says if your carbon monoxide detector does go off, it's important to get out of the house and call 911.